So here is my Profem, guys. I want to make a quick review for you on the Profem and the trade which you have been taking for the week. So this is what I'm here to do. This is the Profem, and you can see the trade. About the trade, I'll speak more about the USD card, the trade which I was waiting for yesterday. So this is the trade. We're waiting for something of this nature to happen, and show you something real quick here. Okay, so this is the part two. So we're waiting for something to happen around this zone. So around this zone, I was waiting for a buy to the upside before we sell back down. So this is what we're waiting for on the last video on the USD card which I made. So I told you I'll be waiting for something of this to happen. So when I wait for the retest to this zone, then I can sell back down. So and something happened, and it taught me something in the market. So something you should know about this market is, I told you we are not moving the market, so your flexibility is very important in the market. So you have to be flexible to what the market is doing, and whatever you see in the market, you have to be flexible with what's happening in the market. You don't have to always stay rigid. You don't have to always stay rigid. Once the market is changing and showing you what to do next, you have to realign, you have to readjust your your setups and everything, then go back and check again, then you know what to do. So I took the trade from this zone. I took the trade, I was waiting for a sell from that zone, that up zone. So this is my trading view. This is my trading view. So I took the trade from this particular zone. You can see I came down to the lower time frame. So this is the 30-minute time frame. After seeing this double top here, after I saw this double top here, this is the first stop. So the market taps in this zone, the market taps back to this zone, not moving further. So this is what I did. I wait for the break of this zone. So after the break, I'll call this the neckline. After the break and the retest on this zone, so this is the neckline, the break on the neckline, and this two you can see here, this you can see here, this and this support trend line you can see. So after the retest, I waited for the retest, so you can see it clear. Let me shift this so you can see it. So I waited for the retest. After the retest, I can see it coming back down. Then I took the trade from exactly this zone, and I was not even trying to close out on that trade particularly at the moment. But while I was clicking on to close one position, because I opened two positions, I want to leave one to run, so I opened two positions. While I was clicking, my network, I didn't know what happened. So my network just like closed out the both of them at once. So, and I'm still cool since it's profit and it's not loss, and even if it's loss, it's still to my learning. So my keyboard, or I don't know, my network just closed out on the both of the trade. So we made profit again from this trade. I re-entered again because I told you I closed out, it was going against me, and thank God I closed out. It was going against me, you can see. So I got a new entry, and it was good, So this is it. I'll show you the trade here. And I'm still waiting for it to break, because this USD card, I'm waiting for a big sell. I told you from the start, I'm waiting for a massive sell on this USD card, and you can see it's already selling. If you can see clearly, it's already selling. But I'm still waiting for a good sell. There is what I'm seeing on this card. So I'll go and show you what it is. I'll go and show you what it is here on my Profem. So this is the trade. This is my at first I told you I wanted closing out of this first one. So I wanted closing out of the first one, which is this one. I wanted closing out of only this trade because I took this one first. So I wanted closing out, then to leave the second one to run. So what happened is that the both of them automatically closed because of due to my network, or something happened. So this is the first trade. This is the second one, also on that same USD card. So you can see the date. That was yesterday. Today is 10th, and yesterday was 9th. So you can see it Wednesday. I took the trade on Wednesday. I couldn't come back to show you how I'll be entering immediately. That's why I always tell you, you should watch out whenever I drop a setup, whenever I make the analysis here. If my bias is on a sell, always watch out for places that you can sell. If I should see the direction of the market for the week, the bias for the week, if I should give the bias for the week, no matter how I'll be waiting for the areas which I mark out to tap in, I'll still be looking for where the next point that the market might tap in before going there, which I have set. So I'll be always observing points. I'll be marking out points. So if I should see a good setup that aligns with my markups, so anyone that aligns with my markup, like this trade I took aligns with my markup. If I should show you, let me show it to you. I trade the break and the retest, so let me show it to you so you know it aligns with my markup. So this is what it is. On the normal trend, on the main trend, we are bearish. On this USD card, we are bearish. Even from the weekly time frame, we are bearish. So I'm always looking for a sell. Since we are bearish, I don't need to buy. So, and I said we'll be waiting for it to tap in some zone around here, this top. That's what we said. We'll be waiting for it to tap in around that zone before we can sell, right? That's what we said. So I saw it coming to this particular place, making this double top. So I didn't enter the trade because I didn't have any reasons to enter at this particular zone. There is no point there showing me to enter. But after then, which I didn't enter, I wait for, a clear confirmation. So I was waiting for this to happen, for this break to happen. So after the break, I was still waiting for the retest to show me a clear confirmation. So why the retest? The retest is because on this 30-minute time frame, I can see there's a multiple retest zone. So I'm telling you the reason of my entry now. This is what I saw. I saw multiple retest zone on this particular point. I saw the retest points. There's a lot of retest on this zone. So I see that whenever the market should retest to this zone, all I'm going to do, I'm going to sell back down, So I wait and I drew my trend line also. I drew my trend line because I know the market is already bearish. So I drew my trend line waiting for what next to happen. After drawing my trend line, and I can see a retest on my trend line also at the same point, at the same area of interest. So at the same area of interest, I can see it here. So I'll show you the retest here. So this is the retest, both on the trend line and my area of interest. So after I saw that, I have to enter the trade. So you can see it here. So after I entered the trade, and some moments after I entered the trade, you can see the market pushing down. So I took my profit here. I was trying to make the trade run more. Like I was trying to leave the trade to run one of the trade, but it closed. But all good. So this is it. This is the two trade, and you can see. So this gold, I was trying something, so I have to give the money back. Stop loss hit this gold. So I was trying to learn something from it. So, and this is my balance here. This is my balance on my account. I have $4,936 now. So in total right now, I'm losing about, $63 from this account right now. I'm down $63 from this 5K account. So there is no problem. $63 if I should get a good trade, one good trade will cover everything up. So this is how everything is going right now. This is how my trading on this Profem 5K account is going. So I'll be taking more trades on this account, and I'll be showing you every of my trade which I'll be taking from this moment also. So we waited for this to happen, but we haven't seen. So this USD card again, we'll still be selling on this USD card. We'll be selling more, but I'm still waiting for it to retrace a bit and do some move a bit. Then if I should see a clear breakout again, waiting for a retest, then I'll sell again. This is all I'm doing here. So guys, I just want to come and show you my Profem and the trades I took on it. So most of the trade I took on it is here also. Is here. Most of it I took is here. So I took most of it here. You can see these are most of my trade. So I had a lot of lose, but once I win some trade, it covers it up immediately. It covers it up ASAP. So today is Thursday and we are almost close to the end of the week. And during the week, so at the weekend we'll be back testing. I will be back testing with you here also. During the weekend I'll be back testing, and I'll be showing you more on the volatility index during the weekend, because the volatility index is always open. So in my next video, that might be what I'll be up to. So guys, this is all for this video. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. Peace.